So ancient biohacking, it was around back then. And herbology was big back then too, right?
Oh, yeah.
Herbology was huge.
Essential oils.
Yeah,
Wasn't
essential
it the original
oils.
place?
Yes.
The original place of essential oils was in Egypt. And there's this one room at
Edfu?
Edfu. Yeah.
Yeah.
Edfu. Yes.
Temple of Horus at Edfu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That has all of these essential oils recipes all over the wall.
Really?
Yeah.
It's the original source for all of the essential oil recipes in the world.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
We got a whole bunch while we were
Yeah.
I
We
bet.
brought back a ton of
The ones they
essential
sell in the
oils.
stores, I don't trust.
Oh,
No.
no, they're not the
They're
same.
fake, right?
They're all fake.
Well, they're filled with these
Yeah.
fillers, and you can tell if you drop a drop of essential oil in water
Yeah.
and it sinks to the bottom, then it's real.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. But if it stays at the top, then it has all these fillers.
That's a
and
good
everything.
test.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you
Yes.
guys seen the arm test where if you hold an object and then
Yeah,
if there's
yeah.
resistance,
Kinesthesiology.
it's bad for you?
Kinesthesiology,
Yes.
yeah.
That's
We did that-
crazy,
We
right?
just did that in Egypt because I was
Yeah.
trying to. What was I testing?
She was
Something.
testing me to see if something was making me better or worse.
right
Yeah.
in
Smart.
Egypt. So we stood up and I did that to him, and people were looking at us like, "What are they doing?"
It's crazy how smart the body is, right?
Yes.
Oh yes,
powerful it is.
absolutely.
Super
You can test
intelligent.
anything, supplements. I mean, we test foods. You know, if you
Yeah.
want to, it's so easy. You just hold it up to your solar plexus and then put your arm out.
Yeah.
And if it makes you weaker, then it's not good for you.
Yeah, Dr. Be Serious was doing that to me.
Yes.
Yeah, it's real, man.
Yeah, it is real.
The first
It
time
is
I
very
experienced that was with Elisabeth. I didn't even know about that technique. And I was having this autoimmune response in my skin. It was kind of a side effect from being, years of being on a vegan diet.
Yeah.
You get these, a lot of people who are vegan for a very long time end up having autoimmune problems. And I was one of them. And I got off the diet, but I was still experiencing these autoimmune problems. And she took me to see this doctor in Michigan. And that's the first
Yeah,
time.
Dr. Jake.
Dr. Jake,
kinesthesiology.
yes,
Yeah,
he was giving me,
testing.
yes, and we were testing out. And what did we find? I think it was something. One of his supplements would seem like it was gonna help. And guess what? When we took it, it
helped.
worked.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Yes,
Yeah.
I didn't know you were vegan. How long were you vegan?
Oh,
my
almost
God.
30 years.
Whoa.
No,
Yeah.
it was bad.
It was bad.
When I met him, he was
Yeah.
probably 20 pounds lighter.
Oh my God.
He was like not.
And that was already on my way back.
Yeah.
I was down to 165 pounds at one point.
Yeah, you would see pictures of him and you wouldn't even.
Yeah, that's
recognize
way
him.
skinnier than me, and I'm pretty skinny. so-
Yeah.
Oh, it got bad.
No. You look like a fat person compared to what I look like.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm like
seriously.
185 right now.
And I'm gonna send you a photo if you want to post it in this video.
Yeah, you could probably see your rib cage and everything.
Oh
Bro,
my God.
I looked like I was already had one foot in the grave.
Damn.
And it got me so sick. And I was doing it not to save animals and save the world. I just didn't like, I'm a
'Cause that
texture
doesn't
person.
work that way.
So it wasn't an energetic thing you were doing it for?
No. Yeah. Saving the animals and all that doesn't work.
It doesn't. Well, it doesn't. See, a lot of vegans want to
Yeah.
save the animals by not eating them, but really,
Yeah.
in turn, it messes it up way more because of farming. But anyways,
Heard
Yeah.
about that.
Yeah. But yeah, it was just texture. And but I had to overcome the texture situation because I started realizing I was going to die from being a vegan. It gave me osteoporosis,
Jeez.
internal bleeding, leaky gut from all the oxalates and lectins ripping my gut line open.
oxalates will literally, they're like triangles.
Yeah, I
and
heard.
they'll rip.
The kale, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Oh, the
they'll
kale
rip
destroyed
your,
me.
your gut lining open.
I used to love kale chips. I stopped eating those.
And that was my biggest, most favorite meal to eat of the day was a big kale salad. And I was killing myself with every bite. Didn't even know it. I was getting so sick to the point where I went to go do an interview on Gaia. I was filming the first season of Deep Space. And I sat there for about 4 hours. And I got up out of the chair. And when I got up, my pants were wet. I had on a black suit, thankfully. I was like, what is this? And when I touched the chair, my fingertips were red.
Whoa.
And I realized that's blood that came out of me while I was doing the interview for the TV show. So while I'm doing that first season, which they recorded all in one take, I was sitting there bleeding.
Crazy.
Out
And
of
you didn't
my
even
back.
feel it?
I didn't feel anything, just leaking out.
Crazy.
So I knew something had happened, but I started trying to figure out what it was, and I didn't want to blame the diet. Because when you're a vegan, you're in denial that the diet's killing you. And
I
most
noticed that
people
about
are.
vegans. They're
Yeah.
passionate.
They're really passionate about it. It becomes a religion.
Yes.
And so you really don't want to. You become, a zealot
Like a
for
zealot,
it.
right.
Yeah. And you don't want to admit that it could be the diet that's killing you. I finally went to a doctor who used to be a real doctor, but it became a holistic doctor, and she told me, your diet is killing you. And then she made me get these blood panels, and she showed me in my blood panels why the diet was killing me.
Wow.
And saliva and stool and blood.
Completely depleted
yeah,
of nutrients,
everything.
vitamins. I mean, plants, you have to think about it. Animals, they'll attack you if you're trying to kill them, to eat them,
Yeah.
right? But plants, they don't have that attack mechanism. So how are they going to do it? They have toxins
Chemical.
that'll like hurt you.
Right.
So you have to think about if you're consuming plants all day, you're consuming all of those toxins that could be really messing you up.
Yeah.
Some people's body have the gut biome that can handle it.
Yeah, like for me, I can digest oxalates and I can digest lectins, and it doesn't really affect me because I have the right bacteria in my gut. Yeah, but you do not.
I'm the opposite. So I don't have the ability to digest a vegan food from a vegan diet.
Yeah.
So people think that every single person on the planet is the same and everyone can eat the same things. So you can, if you go on a diet, it'll work for you because of this and that.
Crap.
Every person has their own individual diet they should specifically be on. And so I'm on a specific diet based on my blood, my saliva, and my stool. And
Yeah.
I eat food based on what my body can actually handle, digest, and break down. And that's going to be different than anybody else on the planet. It's like a fingerprint. And so if everyone did that, there'd be a lot less people sick right now.
Yeah.
You have to think about where you were born, what you were raised on, what part of the world you lived. You know, it depends. It really depends. Like we were in Egypt with a good friend of ours, Tiberius, Law of Attraction.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and he was eating these just, you know, such the opposite breakfast of what we're used to.
Right.
I mean, cheese
Right.
and hard-boiled eggs and olives and just it was
Beans.
complete. Yeah, beans, all of this
Beans
stuff.
for
And I'm
breakfast.
like,
Wow.
Yeah.
that would really tear me up.
Yeah.
But I'm looking. I mean, he grew up in Romania.
Right.
So of course that's going to be different.
Yeah.
And it's interesting too. You share the same gut biome pretty much as the 5 people you're closest to because
Yeah.
you're kissing or you're
Yeah.
breathing on each other.
Right.
You're in close encounters and close quarters. And we kind of noticed that because of our diets and our taste buds. They kind of blended together.
Yeah, kind of a little blend there.
So
yeah.
now
Interesting.
we
Yeah.
like the same things pretty much.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm a big foodie, so I get excited when I travel. But
Yeah.
I was in Bolivia. I ate some
man.
cow heart, and I
Oh.
got so sick.
Oh,
Oh, yeah,
God.
scary. See, that's
So
what-
sick.
we keep it safe when we're out of the
I was
country.
done for a week. Like
Yeah.
you, I lost
no.
like 15 pounds.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness.
Oh,
I'm glad
no.
you're all right. Yeah.
Yeah.
When we travel, we were very cautious. Matter of fact, on this Egypt trip, due to the fact that, you know that when you go to certain countries, people can get really sick from the food. So what we did was we had, through our guides, we had, 2 chefs, a custom order of food that was bought not by the crews, not by the people there, but by the people that we work with. Imported the food
Oh,
in
wow.
there.
Local, yeah.
Smart.
From local,
Yeah.
exactly where we were at on the
Yeah.
different parts of the tour because we have to take domestic flights.
Yeah.
Egypt is
Yeah.
huge.
So you
make
get the
sure.
food directly. Instead of it
Yes.
coming from some kind of importer, you import it from the local people. You get it right there. You have it sourced. Sourced is the right word, from the local people.
Yes.
And you make sure it's like coming from real farms and healthy. And the food was phenomenal. This is the best trip we had with
good.
food.
Nice.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I made sure that we brought the specific peptide that's really good for bacteria, viruses, and mold.
Yeah.
It's called LL37. And so we were taking that every day
Mm-hmm.
to probably, I was thinking like there's different type of bugs in
Yeah.
different places to make sure that we stayed very clean while we
Yeah.
were there.
Yeah, there's mold everywhere these days.
Oh my
Yeah.
God, it's bad.
Everywhere.
Everywhere, man. It
I
was-
mean, our friend Bobby here is fighting a mold case right now.
oh, man.
His
Wow.
previous apartment had it.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, yeah. I think you told me about that the last time. Yeah.
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 Deadly.
Oh, it's serious.
Deadly, man.
Yeah. It's
It
deadly.
is.
Yeah.
I mean,
It
it's
is.
bad. Wherever you guys are watching this show, I would truly appreciate it if you follow or subscribe. It helps a lot with the algorithm. It helps us get bigger and better guests, and it helps us grow the team. Truly means a lot. Thank you guys for supporting, and here's the episode.